The total new listing volume fell in line with last year, 2019. However, the Metro did see a July high for new townhome listings. Due to buyer demand for homes, the region had their fewest days on the market on record. It's Friday, August 27th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland. There are 1,175 homes coming soon. 1,618 new listings went active since last week. 867 homes went under contract. 1,455 are pending. 1,714 homes sold since last Friday. The highest sales price was for this beautiful home in Kenwood of Chevy Chase, Maryland, that sold for $5,350,000. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and for all of your questions coming in. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 27th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super and safe weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.